Make a great choice today with the 2021 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find smart device integration, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, Sirius XM travel link, compass. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.